How to hide BuddyPress Group Tab for visitors. Hello everyone. In this video, we are sharing with you the How to Hide BuddyPress Group Tab for visitors. That means people need to register and log in first to see that tab. It can be achieved with a few simple steps. First, you need to install the Youzify plugin Lite version and activate it. This plugin is free and you can get it from the WordPress plugin directory. And then, please go to your FTP or file manager. And go to folder WP content, then folder plugins. Create a new PHP file and name it bp-custom.php. If you already have it, no need to create a new one. Just open it. Next step, please copy a snippet from our GitHub. You can see and click the URL on the description of this video. Paste the copied snippet to the file, and then on line 22 of the snippet, change home with any tab slug on the groups page you want to hide. In this video, I will hide the member tab. Save the file. And let's see the result. The members tab is disappeared now. Previously, I saw it even though I did not log in. Thank you for watching. And see you in the next video.